Hi there, I'm Nia, your AI career guide, ready to ditch the resume and discover your dream job.
Hi Nia, excited to be here.
I agree, tell me what kind of work truly excites you.
I love building things, especially with cutting edge technology like AI. I'm passionate about solving real world problems.
That's fantastic. Can you share an example of a project you're particularly proud of?
Definitely, I recently launched Pod, an AI powered platform that helps people find jobs based on their strengths and values.
Impressive. What were some of the challenges you faced, and how did you overcome them?
Integrating AI was tricky, but I found creative solutions using Google Cloud Platform.
It sounds like you enjoy tackling complex technical challenges. What kind of work environment do you thrive in?
I allow collaborative, fast-paced environments where I can learn and grow.
Got it. So collaboration, growth, and cutting-edge technology are key for you. What about your values? What's important to you in a workplace?
Making a real-world impact is crucial for me. I want to contribute to something meaningful.
That's inspiring. Based on our conversation, I'm creating your verified talent card. It highlights your passion for AI, your entrepreneurial spirit, and your commitment to making a difference. What name would you like to appear on your card?
Mustafa, absolutely.
Great, Mustafa, here's your personalized link. You can share this with potential employers instead of a traditional resume. It showcases your unique strengths and helps you connect with opportunities that truly resonate with you. Your verified talent card has been created and stored. You can view and share it using this URL.